Hi, just an update on the blue line we put into the Essential and DIY trading view screen. It's a liquidity buy signal. It's a derivative of the other buy signal, the NDBuy Signal. So it does have some similarities, but the additional data is the liquidity. And as we can see, liquidity doesn't always spike at the same time, especially in something like a Chinese stock here where we've got cross-market currents. Anyway, this is a liquidity buy going off really well in tight liquidity. This is a buy signal going off as an opportune time with high DPI, low gamma, tight IV. Both of them are pertinent. Look at what's happened since with Neo. The buy signals. November we've got an August September buy signal. Obviously they do work with earnings, but they work the rest of the time as well. You can see here that sometimes they miss bottoms. Both buy signals do. They'll both be looking at the wrong part of a bottom, particularly the the DPI gamma IV price will often pick a bottom and we'll get a second bottom. Here we go. They've both picked this as a good bottom coming into the JCB carry trade Japanese yen dollar breaking in August. Both of them we had a very reactive tight liquidity, and we had high buying in the market, thinking that it wasn't going to break on the Monday, and it broke. Again, this one is just here. We can see this is just liquidity signal has gone off here. Probably earnings has made it go off, and it's also it was just at a time before we got the pullback into the bottom around the 17th, the apex of April pullback. Just quickly look, Tesla, you'll see again, it's in an American market, which is much more focused on the same things, and so they tend to be traded in a very similar way. So we'll see that the buy signals are a lot more together here in Tesla. Not always as big, but definitely together. Again, they're around these earnings times. It'll always drive it because we get a pullback and a tightening in liquidity around them. I think that this is probably a bit of a false positive here. Might be a bottom. I think it could be a false positive, just because we have reactive liquidity. Just as we saw reactive liquidity in Neo, we get reactive liquidity here. So, here's a reactive liquidity in Tesla going through whatever the hell was going on here. Some funny business with Elon tightening that up. And, it's given us a good buy signal. All of these buy signals were very pertinent. This May-June bottoming here was just fantastic. It's gone 170 to almost 300%. To $440, $450. Anyway, I hope that it adds to your confidence, at least seeing where bottoms are, strong bottoms. That they might just give us a bounce. They might be telling us something, but at least we can look at the story that's happening at the time and see what sort of buy signal they are. Anyway, see you in the trading room, or see you on Discord. And any questions, just bring them to me. Thanks.